Potato salad is a dish that many people are familiar with. Just about every country has their own version of potato salad. And today we're going to show you our recipe for Japanese potato salad.
Yes, this is a simple recipe in which we'll mash the potato and mix in a boiled egg, ham, and cucumber. It's creamy and super tasty.
Great! Okay, so first we peel the potatoes and then cut them into small chunks. You can use a knife or a peeler if that's easier. Place the potato chunks under water to keep them from turning brown until it's time to cook them.
Smaller pieces will boil faster, which is perfect for busy people.
Right, and so many of us are busy people these days. That's why these simple recipes are such a hit. So now you boil an egg in boiling salted water, about 12 minutes for a firm yolk. And meanwhile, place the potatoes in a pan of cold water and bring to a boil, and then simmer until they're soft and easily mashable.
Yes, soft but not falling apart. 12 to 15 minutes from placing them in the cold water should be fine.
Now here's something I've never seen. You're cutting off the end of the cucumber and then rubbing it against itself.
Yes, that's a classic Japanese trick to remove bitterness in the cucumber. Rub the cut end in a circle around the cucumber for about 10 seconds and then rinse with cold water.
Amazing! I've never seen that. So then you chop the cucumber into small pieces and sprinkle with a little salt and leave for 5 to 10 minutes to draw out all the moisture.
Don't skip this step. If you don't take the excess moisture out from the cucumber, the salad gets watery and the flavor doesn't come through.
And yes, we want a tasty salad, not a watery salad. So now, once the egg is hard boiled, chill it in cold water and then peel off the egg shell and chop it finely. In the meantime, squeeze the cucumber pieces dry with a paper towel.
And now we chop some ham into small pieces. My favorite for this recipe is Black Forest ham, but you can use whichever cooked ham you prefer.
And the three ingredients, cucumber, egg and ham, should all have about equal proportions. That makes the best balance for this salad.
Check if the potato is soft by using a thin stick, and if so, then we drain them, making sure no water is left in the pan. Then we mash them, and if you have a potato masher, that makes the process easier.
And whilst the mashed potatoes are still warm, add half a teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground pepper, 1/3 of a teaspoon of Japanese rice vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise, and mix all together well.
And then quickly add the cucumber, egg, and ham, and mix everything together.
Wow, that now looks amazing. I usually think of potato salads as a cold dish out the fridge, but you say this dish tastes best actually when it's still warm.
Absolutely. This dish is delicious all year round, but I think it tastes best when it is still warm.
I'm convinced this flavorful potato salad is perfect side dish for all fish or meat dishes, or even by itself.
Yes, being able to eat this while still warm is the best advantage of home cooking. So let's enjoy it now. Itadakimasu! Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!